Here we have a Volkswagen Golf Estate, Mark 7 Facelift 1.6 litre, TDI match 115 PS. Now the car is in great shape and it has a spec to match, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, an automatic post-collision brake, black roof rails, a forward collision warning, a city emergency brake, alongside these 16-inch Woodstock alloy wheels. Now the boot is huge and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a Volkswagen media control, WeConnect Go dongle and a multi-device interface. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or hop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.